explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 8 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is phrasal verbs, right? So बात करते हैं phrasal verbs के बारे में, right? Now, what are these? सबसे पहले ये जानते हैं phrasal verbs आखिर होती क्या है. So, there are certain verbs which acquire a greater significance when another word follows them. तो कुछ ऐसी verbs हैं जिनका मीनिंग पूरा ही बदल जाता है अगर हम उनके आगे एक और वर्ड ऐड कर देते हैं तो, right? These verbs contain two parts, a base verb and a preposition or adverb. तो ये जो वर्ब्स होती हैं फ्रेजल वर्ब्स, इनमें दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. एक होती है मेन वर्ब और दूसरी होती है प्रीपोजिशन या फिर एक एडवर्ब, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि यहाँ पर दिया गया है कॉल इन, कॉल एट या कॉल ऑल, राइट? दे आर कॉल्ड फ्रेजल वर्ब्स, इसीलिए हम इन्हें फ्रेजल वर्ब्स के नाम से जानते हैं. द प्रीपोजिशन or adverb helps to give the verbs various meanings. कि जो prepositions हैं या फिर adverbs हैं, ये हमारे verbs को और भी अलग अलग meanings provide करते हैं. Some important verbal phrases or phrasal verbs are given below. तो कुछ important verbal phrases या फिर phrasal verbs कह सकते हैं जो कि हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं, right? So सबसे पहले है break. तो ब्रेक के साथ हम कुछ प्रीपोजिशंस और एडवर्ब्स ऐड करते हैं जिससे उसका पूरा मीनिंग बदल जाता है, राइट? सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर दोज वर्ड्स. सो इट इज ब्रेक डाउन. ब्रेक डाउन मतलब फेल, राइट? किसी चीज में अनसक्सेसफुल हो जाना. सो द सेंटेंस इज हर कार ब्रोक डाउन ऑन द हाईवे. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, ब्रेक इनटू. So it is enter by force, यानी कि किसी जगह पर जबरदस्ती घुसना. So it is the thieves broke into the apartment last night, right? Next, break up means come to an end, right? यानी कि किसी चीज का end हो जाना. So the sentence is the meeting break up at last. Next, break out. What is break out? Appear to start and spread. यानी कि किसी चीज को दिखाई देना. To start यानी शुरू करना या फिर spread करना यानी फैलाना, right? So it is malaria broke out in the slum last month, right? Next it is break off. So break off का मतलब होता है stop suddenly, यानी कि अचानक से रुक जाना. So the sentence is she broke off during his speech. Next, break open. That means break by force, यानी किसी चीज को थोड़ा फोर्स लगाकर तोड़ना, right? The jewelry was stolen by the thieves after breaking open the almirah, right? So, as we all saw कि हमने break के साथ कितने सारे prepositions और adverbs को add किया जिससे उसका पूरा meaning ही बदल गया, right? Same goes with the other words also. Let's read them. अब bring के साथ हम कौन से words add कर सकते हैं? Let's see. So, it is bring out. That means publish, right? So, इसका sentence है the last of the Harry Potter book has been brought out recently, right? Next, bring in. That means yield, right? So, it says his property brought in a little benefit. Correct? Next, bring up, यानी कि rear, right? So the sentence is, the baby was brought up with great care. Correct? Next, bring about. Yes, cause. Cause यानी कि वजह, reason, right? So the sentence is, his habit of gambling has brought about his downfall. Next, bring round, that means persuade. Correct? So the sentence is, at last, the annoyed actor was brought round to act. Next, we have call. So let's talk about call word. So call के साथ हम क्या क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं? So it is call at, यानी कि pay a visit, यानी कि किसी के घर होकर आना या किसी से मिलना. So it is, I called at his home, but he wasn't home. Next is call by. Visit a place or a person briefly, यानी कि किसी के पास जाना, किसी जगह पर जाना या फिर किसी से मिलना, बहुत छोटी सी मुलाकात करना. So, could you call by on your way home? Next, call for. That means required, demand or need. Right? तो call for जब हमें किसी चीज़ की रिक्वायरमेंट हो, हम किसी चीज़ की डिमांड कर रहे हो या फिर हमें नीड हो. So the example is, the situation calls for proper action. Call forth, cause to appear. Right? So call forth यानी cause to appear यानी कि किसी चीज़ को बुलाना. So it is, her speech called forth an angry response. Next, call in, send for. So it is, call in a doctor to treat the patient. Next, call off, cancel. So it says, the match was called off due to bad light. Right? Next, call upon, formally invite a request. यानी कि जब आप किसी को formal invitation दे रहे हो तब. So it is, I now call upon the mayor to address the meeting. Correct? Next, call out. That means summon, यानी किसी चीज को बुलाना. So it is, call out the fire brigade. The fire is spreading. Correct? Next, call up. That means recall. So it says, the sound of happy laughter called up the memories of his childhood. Next word that we have is carry. So, carry away, meaning be very excited. किसी चीज के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा उत्सुक हो जाना. So the sentence is, he tends to get carried away when watching wrestling on TV. Next, carry back. That means take back in memory. So, the sound of birds carried her back to childhood days. Correct? यानी कि किसी को एक पिछले टाइम में वापस लेकर जाना. Next, carry off. Handle a difficult situation successfully. यानी कि एक बहुत ही अजीब सी सिचुएशन है जिसको आपने बहुत अच्छे से संभाला. So it is, he carried the speech off well despite feeling nervous. Right? Next, it is carry on. That means continue, यानी किसी चीज को continue करना. So it is, they decided to carry on in spite of the weather. Right? Next, carry out. that means perform. So the sentence is extensive tests have been carried out on the patient means help to survive a difficult period. यानी कि एक मुसीबत के टाइम से को पार करना, right? So it is his determination carried him through the ordeal, right? Next, we have come. So, come के साथ हम कौन से words add कर सकते हैं? So it is come across, meet by chance, यानी कि किसी से by chance मिल जाना. So it is he came across an old friend in the market, right? Next, come after, that means chase, यानी किसी को पकड़ना. The guard came after the thieves with a stick, right? Next, come along, arrive, यानी कि किसी जगह पर पहुंचना. So it is when the right opportunity come along, he will take up. Come at यानी कि attack, किसी पर हमला करना. She came at me with a rolling pin. Come back, return यानी कि वापस आना. So it is you came back very late last night. Next, come down, that means collapse, right? Collapse यानी कि गिर जाना. So it is due to earthquake, many buildings came down. Come off, take place और happen यानी कि किसी चीज का होना. So it is did your proposed tour to Delhi ever came off? Next, come out, that means appear यानी कि दिखाई देना. So it is the rain stopped and the sun came out, right? Next, come round, recovered यानी कि किसी चीज से ठीक होना, heal up होना. So it is pour some water on his face, he'll soon come round. Next, come up मतलब occur यानी कि किसी चीज का आना. So it is we will let you know if any vacancies come up. Down, that means reduce, किसी चीज को कम करना. The doctor told him to cut down his consumption of fat. Next, cut off, interrupt, right? So it is we were cut off in the middle of our talking, यानी किसी को बीच में टोक देना, disturb करना. Cut out, that means stop functioning, right? काम करना बंद कर देना. So it is one of the train's engine cut out, right? Next, we have do. So it is do away with, mean get rid of, किसी चीज से छुटकारा पाना. The death penalty has been done away with in many countries. Next, do out, clean or tidy something यानी किसी चीज को साफ करना. So it is your cupboard needs doing out. Next, do up, that means fasten. So it is she asked me to do up her dress at the back, right? Do without, that means manage without, यानी किसी भी चीज के बिना आपको मैनेज करना, काम चलाना, right? So it is he can't do without an assistant. नेक्स्ट ड्रॉ के साथ हम क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं? जस्ट ड्रॉ बैक, ड्रॉबैक, नॉट टेक एक्शन, यानी कि कोई एक्शन ना लेना. करेक्ट? सो इट इज he has drawn back from the competition. Draw on, that means approach, यानी पहुंचना. The sentence is night was drawing on. Next, draw near, approach, right? यानी कि कहीं पर पहुंचना. So the winter vacations are drawing near. Draw up, that means arrange, किसी चीज को arrange करना. Troops are drawn up in ranks. Next, fall. So fall back, retreat, यानी कि किसी चीज को दोबारा से ठीक करना. So just the enemy fell back as our troops advanced. Fall down, fail to do successfully, यानी कि किसी काम में नाकाम हो जाना. So the example is, she fell down on the job. Fall in, form a military formation, right? यानी कि एक मिलिट्री फॉर्मेशन, एक मिलिट्री फॉर्म करना. So this, the sergeant ordered his men to fall in, right? Fall off, decrease in quality or quantity, यानी कि किसी की क्वालिटी या फिर क्वांटिटी में गिरा देना, घटा देना, right? So it's used by my favorite hotel, but the standard of food has fallen off recently, right? Fall out, quarrel, यानी कि लड़ाई. So it is, they fell out with each other just before their marriage. Fall through, come to nothing, यानी कि किसी भी बात का कोई निष्कर्ष, कोई रिजल्ट ना निकलना. Our holiday plans fell through because of taxi strike. Fall under, be classified among, right? So it is, what heading do these items fall under? यानी कि ये जो भी चीजें हैं किस कैटेगरी में है, right? Next we have get. So जल्दी से बात करते हैं. Get about, move from place to place, यानी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक जाना. He is getting about again after his accident. Get ahead, यानी कि progress, आगे बढ़ना. He is keen to get ahead in his career. Get along, to go together, यानी एक साथ जाना. Do you get along with your manager? Get at, gain access to, यानी कि किसी चीज का रास्ता आपको मिल जाना, right? So it is, the case files are locked up and I can't get at them. Get away, that means escape, यानी छूट जाना. 3 of the prisoners got away in the night. Get back, that means return, वापस आ जाना. Could we get back to the original problem? Get down, alight. So the sentence is, do not get down of a moving train. Again escape, यानी छूट जाना. She was lucky to get off a suspense sentence. Get over, यानी overcome. किसी चीज से ओवरकम यानी उसको भूल जाना, उस चीज से वापस आना. I think the problem can be got over with much difficulty. Get through, be successful. किसी भी काम में सफल हो जाना. Ria failed, but her sister got through. Get together, assemble यानी कि इकट्ठा हो जाना. We must get together for coffee sometime. Next, get up. That means get out of bed. यानी कि बेड से उठकर बाहर जाना. What time do you get up in the morning? Give away. That means distribute यानी बांटना. So it is, he gave most of his money away to charity. Give back यानी कि return, वापस करना. Could you give me back my pencil? Next, give forth यानी produce या emit, किसी चीज को बनाना, produce करना. The engine gave forth a grinding noise, then stopped. Give in, surrender यानी हार मान जाना. So it is, the rebels were forced to give in. Give off यानी emit, बाहर निकलना. So it is, this fire is not giving off much heat. Right? Give out, again it is the same, emit. The generator is giving out a lot of heat. Right? Next is give over. Just hand over यानी किसी काम को दूसरे को सौंपना. They gave over the charge of the office to the newly appointed principal. Right? Give up. That means leave. यानी छोड़ देना. So it is, she didn't give up her job after marriage. Right? Next, we have go. So, go के साथ हम क्या क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं? It is go after, pursue. And the sentence is, we are both going after the same job. Go against. So it is, be unfavorable to. The war is going against us. Go ahead. Proceed further यानी आगे बढ़ना. The building of the bridge will go ahead as planned. Go back यानी return, वापस लौट जाना. The children have to go back to school next week. Go by यानी pass यानी कि वहां से गुजरना. Right? So, as time goes by, my memory seems to get worse. Right? Go into. That means examine. किसी को check करना. I don't want to go into the minor details. Go off. Be tired यानी थक जाना. The sentence is, the gun went off by accident. Right? Next, go on, continue. Right? So, यानी कि उस चीज को continue रखना. That is, how much long will this cold weather go on? Next, go out, stop burning यानी जलना बंद कर देना. So it is, the fire has gone out. Correct? Next, go over, review यानी किसी बात को रिव्यू देना. He went over his lesson before the exam. अपनी राय देना. Go through यानी read, किसी भी चीज को पढ़ना. So the sentence is, I always start the day by going through my nail. Go with. Combine well with यानी किसी भी चीज के साथ मिल जाना, combine करना. Disease often goes with poverty, right? Next, it is hold. So, the first word is hold back. Prevent from advancing यानी किसी भी चीज को आगे जाने से बचाना. Such as, the police cordon was unable to hold back the crowd, right? Hold down, that means oppress. Next is hold down, that means oppress. So, people are held down by repressive military regime. Hold off, that means delay, यानी कि किसी चीज के लिए देर कर देना. Such as, the rain held off just long enough for us to have our picnic. Next, hold on, wait or stop यानी किसी चीज के लिए रुकना. Hold on for a second while I get my breath back. Hold out, that means resist an attack यानी किसी attack को रोक देना, right? Such as, they held out bravely against the enemy bombing. Hold over, that means postpone यानी किसी चीज को cancel यानी उस समय के लिए रोक देना, उसे आगे shift कर देना. Such as, the matter was held over until the next conversation. Hold together, remain united यानी कि एकजुट होकर रहना, एक साथ रहना. They always hold together in times of crisis. Hold up, that means robbery by armed robbers, right? Such as, after the hold up, the gang made their getaway in a stolen van. Next is keep. So let's see कि हम keep के साथ क्या words add कर सकते हैं. Such as, keep away, that means not go too near. So, her illness kept her away from work. Keep back, refuse to tell यानी किसी भी चीज को बताने से मना कर देना. I'm sure he's keeping something back from us. Keep in detain. Keep in यानी किसी चीज को detain करना. So it is, he was kept in for an hour for talking in class. Keep off, that means avoid यानी कि किसी चीज को छोड़ देना. So it is, keep off the grass, right? Next, keep on, continue यानी किसी चीज को continue रखना, उसे लगातार करते रहना. So the sentence, she kept on working although she was tired. Kept out, prevent from entering. So it is, keep that dog out of the house. Keep up, that means maintain. She kept up her glamour somehow, right? Next, we have lay. So, lay aside, that means put aside. किसी चीज को side रख देना. I laid my book aside and went to sleep. Lay down, that means establish. So the exact sentence is, you can't lay down hard and fast rules. Lay off, that means stop doing something that irritates. किसी काम को करना बंद कर देना जो हमें गुस्सा दिला रहा हो. You must lay off smoking for a while. Lay on, arrange, यानी किसी चीज को arrange करना. Lay on food and drink on the table. Look से we can add look ahead. Think about future. Have you looked ahead to what you will be doing in 4 years' time? Next, look at, that means examine, right? यानी किसी को check करना. So it is, I didn't get time to look at your application. Look down. Regard with contempt. He looks down on poor people. Look for, search for, यानी किसी चीज को ढूंढना. I am looking for my lost chain. Look forward to. So it is expect with delight. यानी किसी चीज को खुशी से expect करना. So it is, we are so much looking forward to meeting you again. Right? Next, look in, make a short visit. Right? यानी कि किसी के पास थोड़ी देर के लिए मिलकर आना. The doctor will look in again this morning. Look into, that means examine. Again, किसी को check करना. The police is looking into the robbery case. Next, look over, that means examine. We must look over the house before we decide to rent it. Next, look up, raise one's eyes, यानी कि किसी की आंखों को उठाना. It is, he looked up as I entered the room. Next, make. So it is, make after chase, यानी किसी को पकड़ना. The policeman made after the burglar. Correct? Next, make for, which means to go to. So it is, the pilgrims made for the nearest shelter. Correct? Next, make off, rush away, यानी कि कहीं से भागना. The thieves made off in a stolen car. Make out, manage, किसी चीज को manage करना. How did you make out when your wife was away? Make over, change or convert, किसी को बदलना, right? The basement has been made over into a workshop. Make up for, that means compensate. Hard work can make up for a lack of intelligence. Make up with, that means patch up differences. She has made up with her friends, यानी अपने बीच की जो दूरियां थी उन्हें खत्म कर देना. Pass away, that means die, मर जाना. His father passed away last year. Pass by, go past, right? So the procession passed right by from my front door. Pass for, be accepted as, किसी चीज को as it is accept करना. She speaks English well enough to pass for an Englishman. Pass off, disappear, यानी गायब हो जाना. The numbness in your feet will soon pass off. Pass over, avoid, यानी किसी चीज को छोड़ देना, उसको avoid करना. They choose to pass over her rude remarks. Next is pull. Pull back, retreat, यानी किसी चीज को दोबारा से ठीक करना. The army pulled back after the battle. Pull down, demolish. The library we used to visit had been pulled down. Next, pull in means attract, किसी को अपनी तरफ आकर्षित करना. How many visitors can she pull in? Pull into, enter a station, किसी station पर जाकर रुकना. The train pulled into the station on time. Pull out, move out, यानी बाहर जाना. The boat pulled out into the middle of the lake. Pull together, to join hands, यानी एक साथ खींचना. So it is, if we want to be safe, we must pull together. Next, it is put. Put away. Confine in a prison. So, he was put away for 9 years now. Next is put by. That means save for future. Future के लिए किसी चीज को बचाना. She has a fair amount of money put by. Next is put down, suppress. The sentence is, the military junta is determined to put down all opposition. Put forth, that means produce. So it is, spring has come and the hedges are putting forth new leaves. Put off, that means postpone. We are invited friends to supper and it is too late to put them off now. Next, put on यानी wear, पहनना. What dress should I put on for the function? Next, it is run. So the words are run after यानी chase यानी पकड़ना. The dog ran after a cat. Next is run away. That means escape from a place यानी किसी जगह से भाग जाना. So it is, he ran away from his home at the age of 50. Right? Run down. That means stop functioning यानी काम करना बंद कर देना. If you keep your headlights on, you'll soon run down the battery. Right? Next, run into, meet by chance यानी अचानक से मिल जाना. I ran into an old friend at the church. Run off, drain or flow. Right? So the sentence is, Why don't you ever run the water off after you have had a bath? Run on, continue यानी किसी चीज को लगातार करते रहना. The conversation will finish soon. I don't want it to run on. Run out, that means finished यानी खत्म कर देना. We are running out of diesel. Correct? Next. It is set. Set about, that means attack यानी हमला करना. He set about the intruders with a stick. Set down, that means write down. Why don't you set your ideas down on paper? Set forth, that means declare. It is the minister set forth the aims of his party. Set off, that means begin, yani shuru karna. What time will you set off tomorrow? Set up, that means establish, right? So just he set up a new world record in 200 meters. Next, shut. Shut away, that means away from others. I hate being shut away in the country. Shut down, that means close. They have shut down their mill. Shut off, that means stop the supply. Supply ko rok dena. You must shut the gas supply off if there is a leak. Shut out, that means exclude. किसी चीज को बाहर निकाल देना. So it is, the government wants to shut the refugees out. Next, stand. Stand back, that means move back. The army ordered us to stand back. Stand by, present but not doing anything, यानी कि वहां पर मौजूद होना पर कोई काम ना करना. You are included as a standby player in the team, right? Stand for, that means support. किसी को बढ़ावा देना. So is, I support the party that stands for racial tolerance. Stand in, that means deputize. So it is, my assistant will stand in for me while I am away. Stand out, that means easily seen, जिसे आसानी से देखा जा सके. Print the card in bright letters that stand out against dark background. Next, stand over, that means watch closely. बहुत ध्यान से देखना. I hate to have my manager standing over me. Right? Next is take. Take aback यानी shock. बहुत ज़्यादा surprise हो जाना. I was taken aback by her rudeness. Take after, that means resemble. Is किसी चीज से मिलना जुलना, right? Same उसके जैसा होना. So it is, your son doesn't take after you at all. Take down, write यानी लिखना. The reporters took down the speech. Take in, that means deceive. Is, He took me in completely with his story. Take off यानी remove, हटा देना. Please take off your socks. Take on, employ. He wants to take on new staff. Right? Take over यानी gain control, किसी भी चीज पर control पाना. So is the army is threatening to take over of civil unrest continues. Take up. That means continue. किसी चीज को जारी रखना. This lesson takes up when the last one left off. Next we have think. So it is think about, that means recall. दोहराना. Do you ever think about your childhood? Think over, that means reflect upon something. किसी चीज पर ज्यादा सोचना, that means please think over what I've said. Think up, that means devise. Can you think up a better excuse? Next is turn. Turn against. Become hostile. They turned up against their friend. Turn down, that means reject. किसी काम को मना कर देना. Her request has turned down. Next is turn off. Let's turn the computer off. It's midnight. Turn on, that means किसी चीज को on करना, switch on करना. Turn on the TV. Turn out यानी present at the event. किसी भी event पर मौजूद होना. A vast crowd turned out to watch the event. Turnover. Business work यानी business की क्या कमाई है, right? So it is the company's turnover is more than 50 million rupees. Turn up, that means arrive, यानी पहुंचना. I invited him for lunch, but he didn't even bother to turn up. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with things that are the phrasal verbs. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.